this video, we're going to use custom groupings to compute what's called the Net Promoter Score, which is very important in companies to show that they're serving their customers better. So an airline or a company like Delta Airlines will have their customers rate their flight, say 0 to 10. And a 9 to 10 score is considered a promoter. A 0 to 6 score is considered a detractor. And the fraction of promoters minus the fraction of detractors is the Net Promoter Score. So we're going to use a pivot table to compute this company's Net Promoter Score based on the data in column D. And so we need to figure out the fraction of 9 through 10s minus the fractions of 1 through 6s. So we're going to group 0 through 6s, I should say. So what we're going to do is group the 0 through 6s and group the 9 through 10s and find the fraction and then take the difference. So it'll be a custom grouping, which will be the interesting thing here. So we can do insert pivot table, and we'll put it over here. Okay, so now what we want to do when we get the field list here, we want to do the rating, and we want to count the rate, the 0 through 10. So it's going to say sum, which is wrong. I mean, often that might be right or average, but that's not what we want. We want to count, so I double click there. Okay, so now we know how many 0 through 6 is. We could just count those up, to be honest, but I want to show you how to group. So here I would go right click group after selecting these. Okay, and I could call this group detractors. And now I could group the 9 and the 10. Right click group. And we'll call these guys promoters. Okay, so we're in pretty good shape here, though we got a lot of junk here we don't want. So what do? We do show field list. Okay, and we'll just leave rating 2 there, the new stuff. Okay, now we've got what we want. Now we just do percentage of total. Right click, show values as percentage of column. Okay, so the Net Promoter Score would just equal K15 minus K12, which is 14.8%. 15% basically net promoters. And companies like Delta Airlines track this as a key measure of how they're doing. And so I think this motivates the people who work with the flight attendants and the pilots, of course, on the plane, and the people at the ticket counters to really do a good job. Their bonuses probably depend on the Net Promoter Score for the company.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.